Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make tender beef stir fry, then so can you. For ingredients, we're going to be using soy sauce, red and green bell peppers, sweet onion, green onion, a tablespoon of salt, and some shredded ginger. Don't pay any attention to this garlic and this chopped onion here. Apparently that was for one of the other dishes we were making that day.
My bad, Mom. My bad.
For some optional color and extra flavor, you can use dark soy sauce as well. We're going to be using about 1 pound of beef. This chunk of beef right here is more than 1 pound, and we're not going to use all of it. Start by cutting your beef lengthwise with the grain of the meat. Then for your smaller pieces, cut against the grain. This will allow the finished cooked beef to be much more tender and flavorful. Our beef was also frozen when we cut it, so we took it to the sink to thaw it out and to rinse the beef in warm water. To your beef, add half a teaspoon of white pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Be forewarned that there's going to be an awful lot of mixing in this video. The massaging of all the ingredients in by hand helps to tenderize the beef. Next, toss in a heaping teaspoon of cornstarch and mix it in. Then we add in a spoon of soy sauce and 1 egg white and another scoop of cornstarch. Now I'm going to unmute the original video so you can hear the worst cooking ASMR imaginable.
No! God, please, no! No!
Next, we're going to coat a wok or similar large pan with cooking oil and making sure that there's about a 1/4 cup of oil left in the bottom of the pan. Toss in your prepared beef and cook it until it's browned all the way through. Then we're going to start our stir fry. Add some oil into a pan over a medium to high heat, and then we're going to put in our shredded ginger. Then we're going to put in our sweet onions and give them a stir before adding in our bell peppers. Next, we'll add in our sliced green onions and a little bit of black pepper. When all the vegetables have been cooking for a minute or two, we'll add our beef back in and add a little bit of salt. And here's the point where you can add in your optional dark soy sauce. Just add in a little bit. This isn't a 2 shots of vodka type of situation.
2 shots of vodka.
And there you have it, tender stir-fried beef. Things to take away from this video: cut your beef against the grain. Stirring vigorously by hand helps tenderize your beef. And don't be overzealous with the dark soy sauce. If you tried this recipe, let us know how it turned out for you down in the comments. Consider giving the like and subscription buttons a click, and as always, thank you so much for watching.